Hi, there are three ways you can take a screenshot on your Mac. In order to screenshot your whole screen, press Shift Command 3. Your file is now saved on the desktop. Very often you want to capture a specific portion of your screen. Press Shift Command 4. This file will be also saved to the desktop. Most of the time we need to use the screenshot once only. Attach it to an email, paste into document, or simply send it to a friend. Just add Ctrl to above mentioned combinations. Press Shift Ctrl Command 3 to screenshot whole screen. Just press Command V to insert it wherever you need. And Shift Ctrl Command 4 to capture a portion of the screen. The file is now saved to the computer's buffer. You can insert it anywhere right away. Just press Command V to insert it wherever you need. This way your screenshots won't clutter your desktop and take any space on your computer. And that's how you make a screenshot on Mac. Thanks for watching, hope you found it helpful. Subscribe for more Mac how-tos.